Come in, come in, come in, come in. Hit the like, hit the share button. Say hello. Let me get this microphone adjusted. Hello, hello, hello. You all. It's been some days since I live stream. In fact, I don't even see my pink Himalaya lamp in the background, but that's okay. That's okay. We're gonna rock with it. Bitcoin today, 70, it's $71,000 the last time that I looked at it. But hey, our altcoins are about to take off as well, right? Um, Economy is slowing much faster than expected. Jerome Powell said today. So we still got BTC. You all, you know what? I do not have my I told y'all shirt on, but if I did, because I see you all coming in, I would say it in my southern accent, and I would simply say, I told y'all. Yes, I told y'all. Y'all thought I was playing, but I told y'all. I should have worn my shirt today, but we've seen BTC at 71,000 before. But we are going to look at what Da Vinci and Jeremiah said 6 months after the halving. We had the halving in April. The man that said, he said, he begged and pleaded for people to just buy $1 worth of Bitcoin, right? We got Ethereum at 3,800. Shiba Inu in the dark green today, up 5%. XTX, XTX, that's on the Bitcoin network as well, up 9% on today, up 9%. You all can come in if you have a question for me. If you're new to crypto, let me know if you're new to crypto or if you're true to crypto, meaning that you've been in crypto as long as I've been talking about it or longer since 2019, right? Let's listen to this short clip. What will Bitcoin be 6 months after the halving? Again, we know the Bitcoin halving has already happened. Let's get his perspective on this. Again, come in. Let me know what part of the world you are tuning in from, whether you are watching this live or on the replay. Show me some digital love. Come in and say hello.
No. What's the price of Bitcoin 6 months after the halving? Yes, I can give you a guess. But that's all it's going to be. And I predict that Bitcoin is going to be well over 100K in 6 months after the halving. Probably be around 140K, but most likely around 120K 6 months after the halving. So you will be making a lot of money, so buy right now. So you want to know what's the price of Bitcoin 6 months after the halving? Yes, I can give you a guess, but that's all it's going to be. And I predict that Bitcoin is going to be well over 100K in 6 months after the halving. Probably be around 140K, but most likely around 120K 6 months after the halving. So you will be making a lot of money, so buy right now. So you want to know.
All right, so there's that. Will he, the man that told us to just buy $1 worth of Bitcoin, just get it years and years ago before Bitcoin was known. Also, tokenization of assets. The hearing is going on right now about how the tokenization of assets is going to happen. Now, if you all been following me, you all can get ready. In fact, the way TD Jakes used to say it, get ready, get ready, get ready, get ready. I can't say it exactly like TD Jakes said it, but I'm telling you, if you are someone who is looking to hire your money so you can, if that's what you want to do, fire your boss one day. I'm telling you, getting ahead of this new AI generated economy, this world, artificial intelligence, right? If you think Chat GPT, artificial intelligence, is a tool, just wait until you get into the cryptocurrencies that's going to support artificial intelligence as well. We haven't seen anything yet. Jasmine pumped this week 55% up. I'm talking about hiring your money. That's good, isn't it? That's good, isn't it? Hiring your money if you want to fire your boss. See, the problem is a lot of people work harder than for their money than their money works for them, right? A lot of people work harder for their money than their money works for them, and that's like a big no-no. You should work hard to get money so then you can then position your money to work harder for you. You should work hard to get money so you can position your money to work harder for you. So we got not coin up 108%. Listen, the 24-hour volume in not coin is $1.86 billion. This is at a $2.3 billion market cap, $33 billion market cap to be exact. So for the people that do not believe in crypto at all, I really, really, I sympathize for you. I have empathy for you because you're going to miss out on the biggest wealth transfer because you're not open minded. You don't want to research about this new world economic system. You don't want to get in on the biggest wealth transfer that we've ever experienced. For the week, we got Casper Coin. For the month, Casper is up 63.3%. For the year, Casper is up 1,100, yep, 1,141% with a $4.33 billion market cap. $154 flowed into Casper today alone. Jasmine is up 863% for the year, $1.94 billion market cap. 24 hours, $228 million flowing into Casper. So follow the money. We also have Dog on the. This is on the Bitcoin network. It's already at $939 million market cap. It's at 0.009, still under 1 penny. I do believe Dog is going to get even higher and bigger than this. Being on the big Bitcoin chain and network. For the month, it is up 285%. So Bitcoin, 75,000, I mean $71,045 today. 6 months after the halving, yeah, around September, October. And that sounds about right. After the elections are taking place in November, Bitcoin more than likely, according to David Jeremiah, will be at 100K. Now, since you are not asking me questions, someone asked me via email. You're not asking me on this live stream, and you are not coming in and saying hello. But someone asked me via email that um, if I was beginning in cryptocurrency, right? What would I what would I put my cash in? Thank you, Tony. Thank you, Tony, for saying hello, showing me some digital love and not being rude. It definitely would not be Bitcoin, right? If I was just starting out at 71,000 a Bitcoin, um, I would not start out with Bitcoin because even when it reaches 100K, you're not going to see those big gains come as a result. From 71,000 to 100K is only like a 3x return. I definitely would look at the smaller coins. Thank you, Gregory Bellamy. Ada, this is me. This is not financial advice. I'm not giving you financial advice at all. Ada, Cardano, Chainlink, XRP, of course, Chainlink, Ada. I can't forget Solana. Solana is like, how much is Solana right now? I definitely AI tokens, Render, of course, Near Protocol, and I'm looking for but I think Solana is still over right at $100. I think it's going to definitely reach 1,000 in this within this year's time. Solana, $173 right now would definitely be in my equation, but it depends on how much. If I had some thousands and thousands to put in, I also would include Ethereum. However, when you got Brett, Jasmine, A small percentage would go into meme coins, especially Brett Dog on the Bitcoin Network, Jasmine, Floki, to name a few. I don't know about getting in Pepe right now or Shiba if I'm just getting in late, right? But I do believe Shiba and Dogecoin are still going to do well. Hello to you, Jaina. Do I like H bar? I do. I have thousands of H bar in my portfolio, and yeah, that definitely. But H bar for me will come after ADA, Chainlink, and Solana, to be honest, and XRP. Then H bar. But yes, definitely that's on my radar. Now let's talk about banks and the news today. Google, Microsoft announcing layoffs. Well, because we're shifting to a new type of technology. We're shifting to artificial intelligence. And so the shift of layoffs of workers, um, you know, is going to happen. And this technology, because we're advancing to a new technological system. So Google, Microsoft announced big layoffs today, or that they're having big layoffs ahead, and 85,000 banks have just been locked down. I listen and follow the Economic Ninja. And so I want to share this small clip with you all. This is not going to be uh, a very long live stream.
Specifically contacted me. I do know some other people involved. And again, and I've warned some of these people of some of these other accounts that are very risky. And you're going to see how some of these companies, these fintech companies, are melting down right now. They have ties to crazy stuff in crypto. I'm going to go through all of that. All right. But I want you to think again how important it is to be diversified in your banking accounts. Can you imagine? There are probably, out of these 85,000 people, that's their only bank account. All their money locked up. They download some application on their phone. They think everything's going well. This is exciting because I'm in a high yield savings account, or I'm able to invest different ways. They just got locked out. Okay. All right. So we're going to start with CNBC. And if you want to know what that is, we just launched the pre-filming discount for both the Mortgage Master course that will show you, if you've never had a mortgage or if you've you've currently got a house, how you will crush it. And I will show you everything you need to know about the mortgage industry and how to save thousands. Absolutely meltdown. Type 1 if you agree with that. It is so vulnerable, especially because it's not easy to raise money anymore in fintech. And the Silicon Valley model of, raise, hyper, expand the stock supply, and then, going to market, it's a bad model. It's a dirty model, and it always ends up ending poorly. But investors are going to have the pain handed to them. So it says here, these are people from Yoda that went and invested in this. Not invested, but they started their accounts, right? The crisis began May 11th. The next story I'm about to show you, it goes way back beyond that, okay? It's very easy to see these crises before they come. It said it started on May 11th when a dispute between two of Yoda and Tennessee-based Evolve Bank and Trust led to the lockup of accounts at Yoda and at least 24 other startups. Synapse declared bankruptcy earlier this year after several key clients abandoned the firm amid disagreements over tracking of customer funds. Now, I want you to understand this is another big thing. So we've got 3 companies, right, that are involved. The regulators are going to start going through their financials with a fine-tooth comb. And I can guarantee you this, more things are going to come out of this story. And
So I didn't want to just play that long, just showing you a short clip of what's going on right now in the banking institutions and banking world. In fact, the Fed made an announcement. They said that very likely that gold, not in our transactions, not in our daily transactions, right? I'm not even going to say I believe it's going to happen. However, that gold will replace cash. And this is going to be amongst the central banks. This is going to be amongst the central banks behind closed doors. This is why I've been telling you all to go to millimoves.com. Gold is for king, silver is for queens, right? The poor, working class, and the middle class as well, because this is going to be used to reset the currency system because it is money. Most people do not know that. They don't have that financial education about that. This is paper. This is debt, right? And when people say, I want to be debt free, I get it. I want you to not have debt that you're paying out money to a bank or institution that you don't, your credit cards and your creditors. In fact, on my Facebook page today, I made a post that I know a married couple, they have 3 children, and they use their Discover credit card to purchase everything, groceries, gas, pay for daycare, to pay for their bills, their utilities. They said they would pay for their mortgage if they could, right, on their credit card, but they can't. And what they do is they leave their cash sitting in the bank and they pay off the credit card. This is the catch, in full every month. And they don't spend thousands on a vacation as a result. They're able to get those reward points and take their 3 children just by using their credit card like they would a debit card, and they accumulate so many rewards points to have a family vacation every year. And they choose Disney World. Now you can choose wherever. Those are just credit and cash flow strategies that I educate you all about, and to be disciplined with your credit cards and to make your credit cards your business partners. But don't allow your credit cards to put you in bondage because you're using them to finance things that you cannot afford. Have a strategy with your credit so that it creates more, even if you have cash back reward cards, so that it creates more cash flow for you. Now, how crypto could put Donald Trump over the top in November, let me make this disclaimer. Please do not email me or send me messages about Trump and these other presidents and politicians, how you think that, his criminal acts, the 34 accounts. I don't get into that. I don't care. And I tell you this, and I say it with love, that until we get a president that will give um, those descendants of slavery reparations for over 400 years of slavery, for those who have ancestors that were brought into American slavery, like Obama gave to the Jews for the Holocaust, gave Jewish Americans millions and millions of dollars for the Holocaust and the ramifications of the Holocaust. Until a president do that for Black and brown Americans, I don't endorse or care for any of them. I don't care if they're red or blue until that happens. But I do study what's going on in the economy. They already have an executive plan in place that when they are elected, that they are going to carry out. And I follow the trends and I follow the money. And this I do know, that Trump is pushing cryptocurrency. And America is already in a recession. Most Americans, most people, most working class don't even know this, right? In fact, Trump has a website that is accepting 7 cryptocurrencies, and I'm not going to go over those because I've already did a video. And you best to believe that if Trump wants those cryptos on his website, then I want them in my portfolio as well. It's not about like them, love them, hate them. I don't care for any of these presidents. They're going to go in and execute or do what they have been told and directed to do. Just point blank, period. You can get caught up in the red and blue, even though I'm wearing red. That's your prerogative. That's your prerogative. I'm not getting caught up in that. They're going to do whatever they've been told to do. and everybody that fights for him and fights with him is going to execute and fall in line as well. So I don't even get tied up into who's president, who's pastor in the pulpit, none of that stuff. I concern myself about educating and improving my own economic system. I don't depend on a pastor. I don't depend on the president or a person in a suit like Wakanda or somebody. You know, may he rest in peace, Chadwick Boseman, but Superman or Spider-Man. No, no, no. I don't believe in heroes to come save you. You are going to have to save yourself and educate yourself and do your due diligence. Now, again, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Tether, BNB, don't sleep on BNB, $103 billion market cap. $3 billion in BNB have flowed in 24 hours. 31 billion in Bitcoin, 15 billion has flowed into Ethereum. And look, Solana with a $79.97 billion market cap sitting at $174. 226 billion has flowed into Solana in the last 24 hours. XRP, 52 cents. And in the last 24 hours, $1.13 billion in here. And look, more, not more, but Dogecoin has a $23 billion market cap and $793 million in the last 24 hours at Dogecoin. Toncoin, ADA, I mentioned, there's definitely stacking more ADA, Polkadot as well. Avalanche is at $36. Sheeb, the last 24 hours, 974 million. And Chainlink, the Oracle, the one that's going to connect $340 million have flowed in the last 24 hours. Toncoin, you all need to study and research Toncoin as well at a $17 billion market cap, right? So I'm logging off. Also, if you need more liquidity, if you need more cash, if you need more money, so you can invest in crypto, go to millermoves.com. You can get an instant paycheck pay raise. Certified tax professionals can show you how to increase the money that you're making out of your paycheck without working any overtime, any extra hours, or getting a promotion. You're probably losing hundreds of thousands of dollars out of your paycheck and you don't even know it. Go to millermoves.com. Also get your silver for wholesale. The shortage of silver will drive the price to a new all-time high. Once this reset officially happens, right? It's going to drive it to a new time high. You can get your silver at wholesale, put it on auto ship, set it and forget it, get yourself automatic wealth, right? Bitcoin, will we see it by September and October to 100K? We will wait and see. Thank you all for tuning in. Again, make sure you are subscribed to me on YouTube and hit the like and share button. Queen out.